Pleasant morning to each students. Magpe-present tayo ngayon ng PowerPoint but as of now, give me a minute. May asikasuhin ako saglit. But please prepare yourself for recitation later on. Thank you.
Guys, alam nyo ba? Yung salamin ko, ang bilis niya magasgas kahit dahan-dahanin ko yung pagpupunas ko sa kanya. Ano kayang magandang i-recommend nyo?
Totoo yan. Tsaka kapag may fingerprint or nabasa, lumalabo agad, sobrang hirap niya gamitin. Danas ko yan eh. Araw-araw. Kaso, sobrang struggle talaga kapag papalinawin mo or lilinisin mo yung salamin.
Ano kaya kung may mas matibay na klase ng salamin na hindi madaling magasgas o madumihan?
Parang mas magandang i-compare yung ordinary eyeglasses sa Nanovision eyeglasses. Parang maganda kung may nano coating.
Good observation. Perfect yan. Para sa susunod natin discussion. Alamin natin kung anong mas effective sa dalawa.
Thank you po, ma'am.
Tanong, sa tingin nyo anong mas better gamitin sa dalawa? Ang normal eyeglasses o ang Nanovision eyeglasses?
Ang mas better kasi gamitin sa dalawa. Kung normal glasses ba o yung may Nanovision na eyeglasses. Mas okay gamitin yung Nanovision eyeglasses kasi kung may nano coating, hindi ito madaling magasgas and mas tumatagal siya compare dun sa isang normal na eyeglasses lang, di ba?
Yung normal, madaling madumihan at magasgasin eh. Pero kung may hydrophobic at anti-glare feature, siguro mas malinaw ang Nanovision lalo na sa labas o kaya sa gabi.
Mas better gamitin ang Nanovision eyeglasses kaysa sa ordinaryong eyeglasses dahil mas protektado ito sa tubig, gasgas at glare.
Good reasoning. Susubukan natin yan sa isang experiment upang malaman kung tama ba ang hypothesis ninyo.
So, itong glasses, dahil nga yung sa kanina, mukhang obvious naman kasi yung difference ng dalawa, kaya ito yung hypothesis natin.
Kung Nanovision eyeglasses naman ang gagamitin, siguro mas magiging resistant ito sa gasgas, tubig, at glare kaysa naman sa normal na eyeglasses.
At dahil doon, mas tatagal ito at mas magiging komportable ito gamitin araw-araw.
Good hypothesis. Napansin nyo ang important features at ikinumpara ito sa ordinary glasses. So now, we need to experiment. Mag-observe, mag-test, and i-record ang results. Ngayon, susubukan natin ang hypothesis sa pamamagitan ng two tests, scratch test and water test.
Una, ang regular glasses. Kakaskasin natin siya gamit ang tissue to see kung magkakascratch ba siya o hindi. And as you can see, there's a lot of scratch on the surface of the glass. And now, the Nanovision eyeglasses. Same process as we did on the first eyeglasses. And as you can see, wala man lang kagasgas-gasgas or scratch sa surface ng glass. Ititest naman natin ang two different eyeglasses sa water test. Yan, as you can see, this is the regular eyeglasses. Na-observe nyo yung tubig sa lenses. On the other hand, ang Nanovision eyeglasses na never nag-absorb ng water at always nagko-fallen down ang water na dumidikit sa lenses niya.
Here, I immediately noticed that regular eyeglasses get scratched easily. Even when you wipe it with just tissue, they're not very durable.
During the water test, water builds up on the lenses of regular glasses, make it hard to see when they are.
But with Nanovision, the surface is very smooth, no scratches, no matter how you wipe it.
The water repelling feature is impressive too. Water just slides off and doesn't stay on the lenses.
Huge difference Nanovision. looks much clearer even when exposed to bright light.
In all the tests we did nanovision, performance was consistent. The effectiveness of the nano coating is truly proven.
Based sa observation, tests, and analysis ng grupo, mas malinaw na ang conclusion ng nanovision eyeglasses ay mas superior kaysa sa regular eyeglasses. Mas malinaw, mas matibay at mas protektado laban sa gasgas, tubig at glare. Malaki talaga ang tulong ng nanotechnology coating.